Hello! In this video, I will show you how to make motion blur in Photoshop. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you! Well, the first step is to right-click on the image, duplicate layer. Now, select the copy and go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Here, we will put 10. Here, we will put Spin, here, Best. Now, we will click here. Now, click here. In Flow, we'll set it to 50%. And the primary color, we'll set it to black. Now right-click on the image. In Hardness, we'll set it to 0%. And in Size, we will set it as we like. And we will erase the parts that we want that do not have the effect blur. Now, select the bottom layer, right-click, duplicate layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. And in Distance, we will put 200. And in Angle, you can put it as you want, but I recommend to leave it in 0. Now click here. Right-click on the image and we will do exactly the same. We will delete what we don't want to have the effect. Once finished, we will select everything with Control pressed. Right-click, Convert to Smart Object. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.